Showing the reminder they've got to hit things. 310 sets about 404, or at least the caravan part of it. Here on the entrance to home straight, Bungle's got stuck in. 28's in there as well. And T-Boy's gone away from the chassis. That's now on the 28 car.
See why they couldn't have it earlier because of all this stuff.
So, 757 hasn't got a lot left on the back of that. Bungle in 320, Cessna 194. Ivan still moves in the 42. Right, quite a gathering away to our left. 320, 194, 28, 308. So ferocious blue flag this time it's started for the drivers. This way we'll be going on who's got the most petrol. 42, 320. I just think these poor old caravans. Right on the back of that. Got the home straight Cecil. Through the run, wreckage, 199 people's just gone straight on in at the end of the home straight. 404 will have to come out, Mr. Starter, no caravan now on the back of that, so 404 will be one that has to fight the dust. 308 got equal one that went straight at the end of the home straight. So 404 unfortunately eliminated, as we said the rules, you've got to have chassis or something on. So the way is clear, 42, 194, 310, 320 and 308. Ivans gets set about Messer at the end of the back straight courtesy of 310. So in amongst the rubbish here on the home straight, 310. Cecil spins it round. T-Boy went in at the end of the home straight. But is coming back. I think a few of them have seen better days. And that's the cars, not just the caravans now. Down to the final nooks and crannies, 42 and 320 connect. Might be a tactic 42 and after trying to knock the back of the chassis off 320, because that means instant disqualification. So 320 then, that is hanging on now by a thread on the back of Bungle's car. 42, 310, still going pretty strong. Cecil in 194. I think we're down to about 4 or 5. So 469 back in, 320 here. 469 now going back the other way, 308 Jacko. Maybe a head onward through the tree. So 308 then. 320. Passed aside by 310. Has that demolished the caravan or contact with it? I think 320 may just have gone. So 308 has lost anything on the back end, so he's now gone. 469, 310 and 320. The three we have. So anything on the track that doesn't have any part of the chassis on the back end of the car is out. So 469 is running, 310, we've seen the end of Messer in 42. So, is it Mark Longhurst or is it Paul Quinnell in 469? Quinnell, the local man, in his 469.